Dark mode is an option that makes the user interface darker. It changes lighter background to a darker color, which results in a pseudo-inverted, adaptable interface. According to Harvard Health, later published in May 2012, the blue light from screen during late hours affects circadian rhythms of the body, which negatively impacts the health of human. To minimize the effect of blue light, using dark mode is a good option. Using dark mode has several health benefits, such as minimizing eye strain. Today, dark mode is used in most of the application, including in e-learning platforms. We conducted a survey targeting university students regarding their views on dark mode, where students from more than 10 countries participated. 54% of the students responded that they would use dark mode in some applications, and 62% said that they would love dark mode in e-learning platform like MOOC. So we, the team of Ashish, Sanskrit, Avan and Sabil, who have different perspectives and technical interests, came together for this project.
At first, we had a general discussion with the members from project group of Sarai Gautam and Sri Sigdel regarding our case. We found out that using the screens for longer period of time causes eye strain in students, and dark mode can be a good feature in e-learning sites like MOOC from aesthetic design point of view. We also had an interview with Mr. Stephen Graham, who is the COO at MicrosoftAIGaming.com, regarding his perspectives on the importance of dark mode in learning sites. We created a simple paper prototype of our project and asked for feedback with our target users. We approached the top users of MOOC and asked them about their general perspectives on MOOC, their likes and dislikes in our paper prototype. In the response, we got that 52% of the users feel that scrolling was a big problem in MOOC, while 73% of the users agreed that using the system for longer time causes eye strain. Based upon the user feedback, we made the changes. Then, we designed the UI of our project in Adobe XD. As dark mode is not just about black and white, it is about striking the correct balance between the colors to reduce eye strain. So, we asked the group of Sri Sigdel and Jason Maharjan to perform heuristic evaluation in our design. And analyzing their evaluation, we resized the font and changed the color combination. The black color used in dark mode was now changed to suitable dark blue-green color. Then, finally, we developed our minimum viable product.
He is Hari Paudel, a young computer engineering student at a university. Every day, studies late night in front of a screen, which causes eye fatigue and headache. So he is wondering for an online platform which is easier for his eyes. By the help of dark mode, Mr. Paudel can now use the system for longer period of time without eye strain.
Then we develop our final UI using Jacob Nielsen's usability principles. The principles are visibility of system status. The system has a clear visibility even after the change in new color system. The dark mode gives a pleasant effect to the eyes. The color combinations are very beautiful and all the courses of the week are provided with the drop-down, making the visibility even more clearer. Recognition rather than recall. User can clearly see the remaining tasks with the due date in the dashboard without giving effort to remember and search about it. User control and freedom. Here in the assignment section, we can clearly view the tasks, unsubmit the tasks and again resubmit the tasks. This feature provides user to control the tasks and prevent from errors. Aesthetic and minimalistic design. The drop-down according available in the system helps user to track the course content easily. User do not need to scroll all the way down to see the tasks of week 1 or previous lectures.
Also, we conducted expert reviews where we asked for feedback from Ms. Tai, who is UX designer at Amazon Web Services, and also with Mr. Silwal, who is UI UX designer at Xprips Studios. We got feedback that the color choices for dark theme were good and the site was looking pleasant in dark mode, and with some other recommendations. And for usability testing, we chose some of the active users of MOOC and we let our users use our system for studying during different interval of time and let them fill a survey form. In our results, 79% of the users strongly agreed that dark mode helped reduce the eye strain, while 72% users said that they would use the system for longer period of time. Thus, we found out our dark theme was effective in reducing the eye strain and motivated the users to study for longer times.